Hi, this is Raluca here. In the last two videos, you've imported your planner and tested the power of hyperlinks, PDF outlines, and personal bookmarks. Now let's flip through the planner and get familiar with the layout. Open the Goodnotes app and let's get started. I have chosen a leather-like textured cover to create a feeling of an exclusive, premium, and professional planner. Now let's open it to see inside. The very first pages come with motivational sections, yearly calendar, a yearly plan with focus on both work and personal life, a 6-month plan with detailed desires, a 3-month plan with focus on results and clear to-dos, and a monthly plan helping you prepare for the month ahead. If you go to the calendar, you can click any of these months or weeks to get to that location. You can also use the PDF outlines to go to that week or location. And we've just landed in the weekly planning page with Brave 3 intentions and plans and their progress tracking, to-dos or reminders, self-care rituals, talk to the week at a glance, and lastly, your weekly review here. This is the Monday Start version with a vertical layout. In the store, we also have versions for horizontal week layouts and Sunday Start planners. Once the month is completed, you are prompted to fill the monthly review page. You will have to review your progress, your wins, and feelings throughout this month. For every 6 months, you are asked to review the last 6 months and plan for the new ones ahead. Now that you've reviewed the structure of the planner, let's focus on the hyperlinks. The monthly tabs go, well, there is no surprise here, to the monthly page. And from here you can choose to flip through the pages or click on the dates to go to that page. The notes section is made of 200 notes pages for you to drop your ideas and thoughts. The meetings section is made of 100 meeting notes to plan and run smooth meetings. The projects section is made of 50 pages to plan your important projects, steps, and deadlines. The Track It section is meant to help track your habits, projects, meetings, and so much more. And the Meals section is going to hold your ideas for meal plans throughout the weeks. Great! Let's focus on these smart links on top of the page. Tap the home icon to get to the first page. Tap the layouts icon to see all available templates. Feel free to copy and paste those templates inside your planner. Tap the calendar to go to the calendar overview page. Tap the video to go to a knowledge base on the website. And lastly, you can tap this icon to send me a message through a dedicated contact form. Click on the Master To-Do tab and you will get to the Master To-Do list, where you can brain dump everything you have and start organizing those ideas into action. This is it. In this 3-video series, you've learned how to install your planner in Goodnotes. you've learned about the power of using hyperlinks, PDF outlines and bookmarks, and discovered the inside content of the planner. For comments and questions, feel free to drop them below.